To create a poll in Telegram, start by ensuring you're in a group chat, as polls are not available in one-on-one conversations. Within the group, tap on the paperclip icon, typically found on the left-hand side near the message field. If you don't immediately see it, open the keyboard, and the icon should appear. Once you tap the paperclip, you'll see several options at the bottom. Select Poll. Next, type your question and add the answer options. For example, if you ask, "What color should the shirt be?" you can include up to 10 choices. Which is the current limit? After entering your question and options, scroll down to adjust the poll settings. You can enable anonymous voting to keep responses private. Allow multiple answers if you'd like participants to select more than one choice. Or use quiz mode, which allows a single correct answer. For most cases, anonymous voting with multiple answers is sufficient. Once your question, answer options, and settings are finalized, tap Send in the top right corner. The poll will appear in the group, allowing members to vote, with results displayed as percentages. If you'd like to create more than one poll, repeat the process by tapping the paperclip icon again, selecting Poll, and entering the next question. Each poll's data is shown individually. Additionally, you can invite more members to participate by using the group's Add Members feature while the poll is active. That's it. Following these steps will help you set up and manage polls within Telegram efficiently.